Hi, welcome to another video on the markets today. Good day in the markets. Nifty and Sensex were up around 0.5%, and PSU banks and financial services did well, as I said in my Instagram video in the afternoon. So let's just analyze these top three, and mid cap liquid 15 also did more than 1%. So banking and financial services was the flavor of the day. So PSU banks we have covered in the last few days, but we'll just have a quick look on how it did. So out of 12, 11 stocks, so around 90% stocks are doing well in the PSU basket. इसमें से PNB and Canara Bank we hold, and we intend to hold it uh, for a long time. Or if it runs up too quickly, we'll decide then. Bank of India, Indian Bank also did well. Bank of Maharashtra also. The only stock which did not do well was Punjab and Sindh Bank, which was down marginally, right? So good buying in the PSU basket today. फिर फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज में अभी इफ़ यू सी ऑल द 20 स्टॉक्स वेंट अप, सो इसमें भी बाइंग आई है. और इसमें भी जो बाइंग आई है वो PFC, REC, बजाज फाइनेंस एंड श्रीराम फाइनेंस वी लाइक आउट ऑफ दीज स्टॉक्स. We'll quickly show you why. Bajaj Finance not that much, but it's marked because I have it and I need to get rid of it along with Adani. So this is the chart. You can see it's going up and up near the 50-day moving average for the technical people. And fundamentally भी अगर हम देखें तो 18-20% growth है और P is a reasonable 8, so it seems to be a good buy at these levels as well, although it has run up a lot. But still future growth भी है because a lot of power and infra related lending is required in the country and is being done by the government or is planned to be done by the government, right? Same with REC, 18 to 17% growth and P is a reasonable 11, so PFC, REC is good. Bajaj Finance I had bought in the past, but it hasn't been performing very well and the fundamentals also are not looking good. So you can see 8,000 का हाई मारा था, उसके बाद से it's not crossed that, right? So it was back in October and it's August now, so almost 10 months sideways movement है और downwards movement है. Fundamentally okay, but not that explosive. और PE ratio कंपैरेटिवली देखा जाए तो फिर उस पर्सपेक्टिव से हाई है. अगर आप देखोगे तो 5 ईयर लो पे है. सो इफ़ यू थिंक दिस इज़ अ गुड बेट यू कैन बाय इट, बट आई थिंक आई विल शिफ्ट इनटू सम बेटर नेम्स रादर देन स्टिकिंग विद दिस वंस इट कम्स अप. सो श्रीराम फाइनेंस है, उसका भी 16 to 18% ग्रोथ, P 15. So this seems to be more reasonable in terms of the numbers that it is showing, and stock is behaving accordingly, right? It's technically better than Bajaj Finance, so would rather shift into this or other names rather than sticking to Bajaj Finance. PFC and REC are good bets too. So this is what I liked, and the last index that we saw is the mid cap liquid 15. I think this gives a view to the FIIs if they want to have some liquid names. So इसमें भी 15 में से 12 ने तो एडवांस किया आज. सो बुल मार्केट ऑन फुल, एंड इसमें सबसे अच्छा हमको बंधन बैंक लगा. ये नाम लिस्ट में देयर आर गुड नेम्स हियर, IT, फार्मा, some banking names, but I think the only one that is worth buying according to me is Bandhan Bank out of these. So Bandhan Bank का अगर हम quickly देखते हैं तो टेक्निकली नॉट गुड, बट अगर आप फंडामेंटली देखो तो लास्ट क्वार्टर वाज गुड. So it's trying to make a comeback, and the P ratio seems to be reasonable according to me. So and expected numbers for next year are showing good, right? So seems to be a reasonable buy at these levels according to me. So we'll keep an eye on this and add it to my, or I have added it to my watch list, and that's why it's showing as a tick mark. So these are the stocks and sectors that I analyzed today, and you can see that the banks have done well and the mid cap is also making a comeback, right? So slow and steady buying coming along. I think FIIs have bought today. I didn't see them buying yesterday, which is expected. कल के वीडियो में मैंने बोला था कि I didn't, because the kind of buying that was happening, I didn't see the FIs buying, right? So but today का जो buying है उससे लगता है कि a lot of FIs have bought today. Domestic institution is still going strong buying, not as much as yesterday but still going. और ये Angel One और Motilal Oswal were the top gainers, which we had covered along with Nuvama and some others in the previous videos. They made a very very big jump today. So that usually happens when there's a bulk buying by the FIs, right? So they are positive on the Indian markets, and I think they must have bought it. But yeah, we'll see the numbers tomorrow to know if that is right. Okay, so that is all for today. We'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow morning on Instagram. Bye bye.